One of the reasons I love fall so much is porcini. Dried ones are great too, but fresh porcini? The aroma is something else. I'm currently 24 weeks pregnant, and this pasta felt especially comforting. The smell alone makes me feel so calm. Fresh tagliatelle works perfectly for this recipe. And yes, here in France you can even find fresh porcini at the local market. First, clean the porcini mushrooms. Don't wash them. Just scrape the stems with a small knife and gently wipe the caps with a paper towel. Slice them up and set them aside. In a large pan, melt a small amount of butter with a generous amount of olive oil. Add 1 finely chopped garlic clove and let it release its aroma. Then toss in the porcini, season with salt and pepper, and sauté gently for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, boil the fresh tagliatelle in salted water until al dente. Once ready, transfer the pasta directly into the pan with the mushrooms. Add a splash of pasta water and toss everything together. Finish with a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. It's earthy, rich, and comforting, just what I need in this season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy recipes.